problem, the only way that those governments knew how to do it would have been to borrow. And so why, precisely, my friend. So while you may get improved water, you get more debt with it. And when you get more debt, inevitably, you must get more taxes. So you will get budgets coming with more taxes. Now, we have made a commitment that we are going to run the economy in such a way that we care about you, that we don't place a burden on you. And so we are going to find the creative ways of making these investments so that these investments do not become a burden on you. We are doing this, and we have read a budget where there are no new taxes to fund any of the investments that we are making in infrastructure. This has to be said.